The song celebrates the festival with a melody that resonates with the joy and devotion of the occasion. The festival is celebrated primarily in South India and honors Goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. It occurs on the second Friday of August and is considered highly auspicious. A grand feast with traditional dishes is prepared and shared among family and guests. In some regions, the festival also includes music and dance performances. Temples often hold special pujas and events, allowing community participation. However, the essence of seeking the goddess's blessings for family prosperity remains central to the celebrations. The festival is a vibrant blend of devotion, cultural heritage, and familial bonds, reflecting the traditions of South Indian society. Sari sani sari pamari mari sa sa sari sani sari pamari mari sa re ma pamari mari sa sari sani sa re pamari mari sa pani sa ni pamari sa sari sani sa re pa ma re ma re sa ma 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 re sa re pa ma pa ni ni pa ma pa sa ni sa re re sa ni pa ni sa ni pa ma re ma re sa.